Welcome to Trust, but Verify, the new multimeter guide. This video covers essential functional checks for electrical professionals to ensure their new multimeter is reliable. We begin with Phase 1, Initial Visual and Mechanical Inspection. These checks ensure the meter is physically sound and safe right out of the box. First, inspect the casing for cracks. A compromised shell affects safety ratings. Next, verify input jacks are tight and color-coded correctly. Finally, turn the rotary dial. Every setting should click without play. Next, confirm the power foundation. Check the battery, as a weak one causes inaccuracies. Use another meter to check the internal fuse continuity. Also, watch the display startup to ensure all segments light up clearly. Verify your test leads. For a continuity zero test, touching the probes should read 0.1 to 0.3 ohms. Perform a lead flex test to ensure the reading remains stable while wiggling the leads. Finally, confirm the audible continuity buzzer is loud and immediate. Now we move to Phase 2, Accuracy and Function Tests. This phase confirms the meter's electrical performance against known values. For DC voltage verification, test against a fresh 9-volt battery. The reading should be between 9.4 and 9.6 volts and stable. For AC voltage verification, test a known standard outlet, exercising extreme caution, and check the frequency if your meter supports it. Understand the typical accuracy thresholds for your meter. Your new device should strictly fall within the manufacturer's specified tolerance for its category, whether it's a budget, professional, or high-precision lab meter. Confirm the safety rating. Ensure the meter is appropriate for the highest energy environment you will use it in, such as CAT IV for utility connections. Look for genuine molded UL, CSA, or CE marks for safety confidence. Reliability is a life cycle. Perform verification on day 1. Check leads and battery health at month 3. Do a mid-year accuracy check at month 6. Plan for a professional NIST calibration by year 1. Avoid common new meter mistakes. Never check voltage with the dial in ohms mode, which can test the internal fuse. Don't ignore the auto-off sleep mode, and avoid trusting cheap, low-quality leads. Remember to use the low impedance, or LOZ, setting if your meter has one, to verify voltage and avoid picking up misleading ghost voltage readings from high-impedance digital meters. Safety first. If your new meter fails any of these initial tests, do not use it on a live job site. Return it immediately for a replacement. Consult your manual or tool representative if you have questions.